Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use viewport frames in Roblox. To begin, open Roblox Studio and insert a screen GUI into Starter GUI. Inside the screen GUI, add a viewport frame. This frame acts as a window, allowing you to render three-dimensional content directly onto your two-dimensional user interface. It's a powerful tool for displaying dynamic visuals. Next, let's add content. Place any 3D object like a part or a model directly inside your viewport frame. Crucially, you need a camera. Create a new camera object and parent it to the viewport frame. Then, set the viewport frame's current camera property to this new camera. Position this camera to view your objects effectively within the frame. To bring your viewport frame to life, use a local script. This script, placed within the viewport frame or a parent UI element, can access and modify the objects inside. You can rotate models, change their colors, or even animate them. Adjusting the camera's C-frame property allows you to create orbiting views or zoom effects, offering a rich user experience. Viewport frames have many practical uses. They are excellent for character customization screens, letting players see their avatar changes in real time. You can also use them for inventory item previews, displaying a three-dimensional model of an item when hovered over. Furthermore, they are perfect for creating minimaps or even security camera systems within your game, adding depth and functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.